Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So another video on Monday. Wasn't expecting to do this, but I was just looking through the rebate apps and I came up with this amazing deal, and I actually went to the store and tested it out today, and it actually worked out really good. So yeah, awesome at Walmart today. Had this amazing moneymaker deal going, and it just ended up making for an amazing deal. So yeah, it is on Suave shampoo. It's pretty, there's kind of a few steps you gotta do, so I'm gonna walk you step by step through it. As always, if you really like this deal and think other people should know about it, be sure to share it around with your friends and family. Let them know about this deal so they can get it as well, and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and subscribe if you haven't. So let's just dive right in. So for this deal, what you need to do is you need to pick up one Suave Men 2-in-1. It has to be the 2-in-1 variety. And you need to pick up a Suave Women's. Now, I was really confused. I had no idea, like, none of the Suave shampoos say Suave Women's on them. I guess you're just supposed to assume if it doesn't say men's, that counts as Suave Women. So I picked up this kind. This is the cheapest. The ones in the silver bottle are the cheapest. The rest of them are more expensive. But anyway, these are $198 at Walmart, and the Suave Men is $198 as well. $198 each. You either use this coupon. You would need 2 of them for $1.50 off of any one Suave Professionals wash and care product. I will have the link to this coupon in the description box below. It is a printable coupon, so you'll need to print 2 of them out and use 2 of them at the checkout. Or you can use this coupon from yesterday's $7.29 Retail Me Not for $3 off of any 2 Suave Professionals hair care product. So I know in the picture it does not have the men's, it only has the women's kind. But if you look closely at the bottle, it does say Suave Men Professionals. It says Suave Professionals Men. So I don't know why the coupon, this clearly works for the coupon. However, the insert coupon did beep at the register. No idea why it beeped, but it did. My cashier was very, very nice. She came, I pulled out the products, showed her the coupon, and she was very nice. Just manually entered it in for me because it's literally the right thing. I have no idea if the printable beeps, but I know the insert coupon beeps. So after using that coupon, you will pay 96 cents plus your local sales tax. Which actually is not a bad deal on 96 cents for 2 of them. That's pretty good anyways. But we do have 2 different rebate offers that you currently can submit for that makes this a moneymaker deal. So first up, we have Saving Star. This is a really old rebate. If you've already done it, don't turn off this video because there's even a better rebate. You're still going to have a moneymaker even if you've already done your Saving Star. If you haven't already done your Saving Star, we have $1 back on the purchase of any one Suave Men 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner, any variety. That qualified just fine. The men's shampoo qualified. So it just brings it down to free now, but then we have a moneymaker, another really high value rebate that's going to make this into a moneymaker. Then if you have Fetch Rewards, which if you don't have Fetch Rewards and you want to sign up, I would really appreciate it if you would use my referral code. It is C1PNA. I will have that in the description box below. But you end up getting 2,000 points, 2,000 extra points when you submit your first receipt. So this could be an even bigger moneymaker if you haven't already signed up for Fetch. So be sure to do that if you haven't already, because this would end up making this an even bigger moneymaker. But anyways, even if you already have Fetch or whatever, there is get 1,500 points back for buying 1 Suave Women's and 1 Suave Men's. So you're going to get back $1.50 for this. Insane. So that ends up, here's just another rundown. You're going to buy 2 of them at $1.98. That comes to $3.96 plus whatever tax. You're going to get $3 off in coupons, whether you use 2 of the printables or that 3 off 2 from yesterday's insert. You're going to pay 96 cents out of pocket. You'll get back $1 from Saving Star. And you'll actually get back a little bit more than $1.50 from Fetch because they'll end up giving you a little bit extra points because that's one of their brands that they're partnered with. You'll get like 5 cents extra. But anyways, just say $1.50. Since I'm making everything a $1.54 moneymaker for 2 bottles of Suave shampoo, that is a really great deal. You can't get much better than that, making $1.54 on 2 things of shampoo. So glad. I haven't seen anyone else post about this deal, so I really wanted to share it with you all. And hope you can get it. The only problem was the beeping coupon. I don't know if the printable beeps. You're probably more likely to get your store to manually enter in an insert coupon. So that's something to consider. But really, really great deal on this Suave shampoo. Yeah, that is all that I have for now. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And share this around with your friends and family so that they can get in on this deal as well. And also be sure, ready, go down, click the little bell under the thumbs up button so you're notified whenever I upload. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching.